100% polyester. Imported. No closure. Dishwasher safe. Multi-purpose design. Put this ice bucket to use for numerous jobs aside from keeping drinks ice cold and ready to drink. This collapsible bucket works equally well as a cleaning caddy or mop bucket while camping and a car wash bucket on road trips. Compact design. Take this ice bucket along anywhere thanks to the collapsible design. The lightweight build lets you pack this collapsible bucket with your go-to camping supplies, while the narrow profile helps it fit in tight spaces for easy storage. Tough construction. Count on construction from plastic and plastic rubber to help this ice bucket easily endure frequent use. Built to last, this collapsible bucket handles bumps and dings and cleans up well with a little hosing. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. If the dimensions are what you need in a wash tub, look no further. This is a fantastic wash bin. Has a great snap in opening it and reasonable depth for soaking items. Initially, I had bought it for washing my pump supplies and baby bottles. It served the purpose well. I could dump easily 4 to 6 bottles or pump items and wash with hot water. All that was left was a quick basin rinse at the end.